I'm going to show you a new gadget in this video. This is a Wacom pen tablet, also called as graphics tablet. Let us open. I have received this from Amazon today. Let us open this and see how it looks like. Wow, this is red color tablet. This is the bill. Okay, nothing is there. This is the pen tablet. This is the model number is, you see here, Wacom MCTL 672 K10 K0CX. Month and year of import June 20. MRP is 8,000. I bought this for around 6,800 rupees in Amazon. Company is Wacom. Model is 1. Wacom 1 672. This is around 6 inches by 8 inches, I think. The size of this tablet is 6 by 8. Let us open the tablet. Right, see this one, 1 by Wacom. How to open this one? Right, this is the tablet, pen tablet. Very thin. This is like the size of this one is like an A4 sheet. It is red color in the back side. This is the canvas area where we have to write with the pen. Pen is given here. Stylus pen. Oh no. See the pen? This is the pen. 2 buttons are given here. We will see the functions of these buttons and how to write with this pen very shortly. Okay, we'll keep this aside. I'll put this aside and I will first see what is given in this book. What is this? This is not a book. User manual, I think. This is user manual. How to use this one, where to write dimensions, how to adjust the tip. Is user manual. This one is the standard USB cable. This is not type C. This is micro USB cable. You can see here, micro USB cable. Okay, so these are tips for stylus pen, pen pointers. You can change the pointers for this pen. 3 tips are given. One steel ring is given here. We have to see what is the purpose of this steel ring. I do not know. We'll see it later. Let us open the tablet and see how it looks like. This is the cover. Hurry up. Right, see the size of this one. This is 6 by 8, I think. I'll see the dimensions here in the box. It's given. Yeah, small dots are there on this tablet. I don't know the function of these small white dots. It is plain. These dots are not projecting outwards. This is very plain, completely plain. Only this part is the writing area. The outer edges are little soft and rounded. Fine. We have to write with this pen on this tablet. So scratches may not happen. The surface is very smooth, and this is not sticking to the surface. The pen is not sticking. It is like the feeling is like, suppose if you write with a pencil on a plank, on a table, on a plastic material, the sound and feeling how you get, same thing we are getting here, same thing I'm feeling. Right, this is about the tablet. The size of this tablet is around 6 by 5, 6 by 8, I think, 6 inches by 8 inches. Exactly, I do not know. I have to see the specifications. I don't remember right now. Beneath the surface, it is red in color. A logo is given. 1 by Wacom pen tablet. Okay, right. So to start with, we have to connect USB cable to our computer, and we have to download the drivers from the Wacom website. Once the drivers are downloaded, we can start using this tablet. We can use Sketchpad, Notepad, PowerPoint, and many other softwares are there. Whiteboard softwares are there. You can use those softwares and start writing in this graphic tablet that can be replicated on the screen. Settings and other things we will see in the next video. I will prepare. This is just an unboxing video. Though I am not doing any unboxing videos, I am starting lecture videos. So I brought this one just to see how this is looking, how the look and feel of this tablet is. Okay, this is about the tablet. Right, this is very light. This is very good. It is just like writing on a book. Very nice. The look and feel is very, very nice. USB cable is given. Next, extra tips are given. Extra tips for this pen are given. These are the 4 items that you will get in this box. The price of this one is around 6,800. So if you are interested in teaching online, if you want to write something on the screen and want to show to the viewers, then this is the right product for you. This will be helpful in writing very smoothly, very fastly. This is also useful for those who want to paint, who are into drawing, painting, artists, drawing, all those kind of stuff can be done using this tablet. So very nice. Right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the other video. In the next video, I will show you how to set up this tablet in your PC, in Windows PC, how to download the drivers, how to set up, how to calibrate, how to set the calibration area, mouse pointers, all those things. Stay tuned until then. Bye bye.